This song, The Maccabees, is a question and answer, except if the student knows the answer, they know all the answers. And the answer always is, I know the Maccabees. So we say, who fought Antiochus? Tell us, please. I know the Maccabees. Next verse. Who saved the temple? Tell me, please. I know the Maccabees. Who gave us Chanukah? Tell us, please. I know the Maccabees. And you can add on and on. Who gave the oil for the lamp? Who cleaned up the temple? You can make up all these different verses, always with the students being able to answer, I know the Maccabees.